Hello loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I love welcome. If you're not subscriber, I love thank you very much for coming back. God bless you. So judging by the title of this video, this is an unboxing video and no too much talk, not too much introduction. We're going straight to the unboxing. I ordered for business times actually. So you will see calculators like this, you will see printers, you will see, all of those good stuffs for my business. I ordered this fan for my makeup. As you guys know, I'm a makeup artist. As a matter of fact, I'm an award-winning makeup artist. So I ordered for this and the MOQ was 2. So which means we'll be putting one to our giveaway. So I already powered a lot of things down for the giveaway, so but I don't know which videos to do it, and you guys are not commenting on the giveaway, so I feel like nobody's interested because I haven't seen anybody talk about the giveaway. So I mean, maybe I'll take it to my TikTok if YouTube is not interested. So that fan will be included. One of these Z atomizer will be included as well because I actually wanted this deep brown and that wood brown, but unfortunately they brought like a light white color, which the aesthetics of my office is like a white and black marble effect kind of. So I'm not really feeling it. Right, this video will actually be like a fast forward video because I do not want it to be too long. This is already almost 19 minutes video, and this is because everything I unboxed was about 29 kg. I don't want to do a part 1 and part 2. I ordered my things are 20 kg. My brother things are 9 kg. So I ordered for this printer as well, this mini printer. You guys might have been seeing the other type of this, and I've been seeing it so much on the streets of TikTok, which I mean not bad, but I feel like for me, right, for me personally, it looks childish because of the baby thing there. So this one looks like more matured. I mean, for me, my opinion, right, more mature, and the fact that there's this big type of this as a printer. So I just ordered for it. But unfortunately there was no black or yellow. So I just ordered for pink. So this number 9 is what you guys might have been seeing, right? And this one is expensive and it's super heavy. So I ordered separately for these stickers. There's the sticky sticker and there's the normal sticker, which I want to try first. You see, I ordered for this 360 camera. I've been seeing it on the street of Instagram and it was super expensive actually on Instagram. So I was like, why kilo shilla? So I just ordered for it though, which of course I wanted one. The MOQ was two, so we'll be adding one to our giveaway as well. And for the giveaway, we'll be doing first 5 comments on videos, but you must be following me on Instagram because that is where we'll be announcing the giveaway. Because obviously, yeah, I don't think it will make sense for me to make another video announcing giveaways. I mean, then like I said, we'll be doing money issue giveaway and we'll be doing gifts giveaways. So this box right here, most of them belongs to my brother because he's opening his salon as well. So you guys will see nails and nail things, right? So let me leave you guys, and if there's anything to talk about, then I'll be right back. So I ordered for this leg wash. You just stick it to the floor of your bathroom and use it to scrub your legs. And this is super small and soft compared to the one that we used in the apartment that we were in at Kenya. So that was what I used to source for this actually. And I ordered for this for my air fryer. And yeah, this was how it came in. So it was not like the one that we had at home. And I ordered for this resin jota stuff. I want to do like a journal for my business. And I ordered for two, actually one big one, one small one, and I ordered for the paper as well. This soap mold that I ordered for, I thought it was big like the one I have at home, but it was small, so maybe I'll just use it for like a tablet soap for like when someone buys a set or something that will use as a free gift, if that makes sense, instead of sweets and all of those things. So yeah, I ordered for this as well for powders to display powders at the shop. I ordered for 3 pieces, and I also ordered for 3 pieces for the lipstick display as well. So I'll be using two for lipsticks. I will be using one for my gloss and pink lips, which you guys would see later on in the video. Guys, please, if you watched to this part, do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Anything you want me to talk about or to show or to order that you want to see, let me know in the comment section. And if you want to like join my pre-order, if you don't know, I have a pre-order group, Posteni_1 on Instagram. You can check it out to see my reviews. I do training as well on WhatsApp training, and also help you to order for things that you want to order for. I also put you along order for you together whenever you want to order by yourself, and I also help you source things if you want. If you need souvenirs for your party, I also source for it from China, right? So I ordered for this means string for my husband, and it actually has mint in it. Like we did not even know, not until I was unboxing and I was smelling mint, and I was like, so when I read it, then I saw it as mint. It's like a fresh mint dental floss. So yeah, and to know my hands, I mean obviously it's unboxing, so my hands should be like ashy, right? And also, I don't know, you guys might be wondering why there's Bosteni Kenya on the packages instead of Bosteni that I do use before. And this is because I ordered while I was in Kenya, and unfortunately I used my Kenya number to order, which I didn't even know that was the number I used, because I just put the WhatsApp on my phone and I just placed order. Right, so to avoid mistake, we have to include Kenya at the back. My agent and I had to include Kenya at the back so that we would know, because I already was telling like two already that have changed, and obviously another person might be bearing the same name as me. So just to be on the safer side, I ordered for those wendy leggings. I've been seeing it and I really liked it, so I ordered for it, and obviously I can only wear one, so we'll be including in our giveaway as well. I ordered for this laptop stand or laptop hold to be in my office for my laptop. And also guys, please, if you win any of my giveaway, aside from the monetary giveaway, if you're winning gifts giveaway, be ready to pay for your rides, because obviously I can't pay dispatch, and this is the biggest. This is the biggest. Just look at it. I mean, I'm super proud of myself, because do you know how much I cleared these groups? You know how much dollar rate is now? 1,560 or something. Alhamdulillah, 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 alhamdulillah. I'm just happy. I'm just grateful. That's it. So these are for my resin art as well, and I ordered, I think, 10 of it in different patterns, different colors, different styles and design. Right. So about the giveaway that I was talking about, if you are winning any of the clothes, just go check my unboxing videos, some of the clothes that I want to use for giveaway. So if you're winning any of these, then you should be my size, or you should be like a little bit smaller than me in size, because everything I ordered them in my size, if that makes sense. So maybe I ordered for 2 of it or 3 of it, which obviously I can't wear everything. I have to take one, then the rest for giveaway. So you should be my size, and you should be around Lagos or anywhere that you are. Then you should be ready to pay for your well bill or your rider, dispatch rider or something, because I can't obviously pay for it. That makes sense. So if you know you are not ready, please do not bother yourself. You want to win this giveaway, and you should definitely follow me on Instagram, like I said, because that is where I'll message you or tag you or ask you to send your address, because you can't send your address in commenting section on YouTube. So I do hope you guys understand, so for your privacy and everything. So if there's anything that you see on here that you like and you want us to include it in the giveaway box, let me know so that I can include it there. I have 3 of these too. So blue for my brother, pink for me, and the other for this clear one, which will be included. Or I'll take the clear one and include this pink one, because I actually liked that clear one more than this pink. I'm not a fan of pink that much. I'm a fan of white. My best color is white, obviously. So I'll add this one for my brother. I'm sorry I'm going off point again. So like I was saying, follow me on my Instagram, and also don't forget to follow me on my TikTok. So I would really appreciate if you guys follow me on TikTok. I have short form content, I have lifestyle content, and at the same time I have some cooking content as well that I'm doing there. So please guys follow me there as well. I also said I wanted to give away on my TikTok as well. I already made a video while I was doing the cooking. So I'll also be doing giveaway. I mean, who knows, you might even win giveaway from YouTube and still win giveaway from TikTok. I mean, it's your luck anyways. So Ori Elobe wa luck here. So just follow me there as well. Alright guys, I feel like I'm talking too much in this video, which I do not really like that much. Well, if there's anything again to talk about, you guys usually see me and hear my voice. But I want to say a very big thank you to you if you're watching to this part. God bless you. I really do appreciate you guys. And I pray that the money that you're using to buy that I will not finish, inshallah. Ciao. So I bought this. You guys know I already bought the one for my name, Tenny Beauty Empire. So I bought the CEO office so I can put this at the entrance of my office. And I also bought these mirror ones. I bought 2 silver, 1 gold, so that the silver can be in the toilets, in the restroom, at the reception, because I don't want to put mirror there because some people might be funny, so that they won't go and break my mirror. Mirror is expensive now, so I bought this sticker mirror. Alright guys, this is the end of this video. Thank you very much for sticking with me. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you. Stay safe and be fabulous. Bye.